Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the presenter mode on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the browse icon down below and click on my iPhone. Then select a document, and after that tap on the three dots icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down till you find the presenter mode. Tap on OK, and here you will be able to see your document in presenter mode. You can scroll down by using the scale in the right side of the screen, so feel free to go up and down by the help of this scale. So if you tap on this double A icon in the upper right corner, you can select the size of the text, the background color, font, text options such as all caps, line spacing and margins, and the auto scroll application. Here you can select the speed of it. So if you go back, you can see that if you tap on the document, you will be able to start or stop your auto recording. So now it is the auto scrolling function, which is really helpful when you are, for example, presenting something and you don't want to scroll up and down with your finger during your presentation. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.